Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Which part? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay, right now it's south part. Okay, are you a student or working? Are you a student? Okay, do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with stranger? Okay, I am from Odisha. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform as a Indian. We don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English daily. Right? I don't do anything. I'm unemployed. I completed my education and right now I want to focus. I want to enhance English speaking. I have long term and short term goal on my hand. That's why I want to enhance English speaking. What about you? What's your qualification and why do you want to enhance your English speaking? Oh my goodness, you have double degree on your hands. What's your future goal? Do you want to join any government department, private department, or do you want to be an entrepreneur? What else? Okay. Okay, that's good because you are a good speaker, fluent speaker. Your mode of speaking is outstanding, remarkable, excellent, splendid, awesome, good at. And I know you want to polish your fluency here. Apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Okay, do you talk with anyone in English? I mean to say your family members, relative, friends. Okay. Because how many languages do you know? English is your second language, right? Then it happens with everyone, and it is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak, but it will take time. Language always takes time. No one can get overnight, right? And who are good speakers, they are also still practicing and they still doing hard work, right? And no one can perfect in this language. Everyone learner in this language. Even though you see APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of India, right? He spoke typical good South part English and he went to abroad and he interacted with the foreigner in Indian English, right? Then everyone they want to means they have to motivate themselves, right? And that's why English is our mother tongue and English is just like a driving and swimming, right? It will take time but we have to fix our mind. No one can get overnight. It will take time. It is a bitter truth, right? But we have to go logically, orderly, strategy wise, right? But if you think today I speak better English, and tomorrow I will become a good speaker, fluent speaker, and I want to be a public speaker. It's never happens, right? If you start or if you take action, then definitely you reach your destination where you want to reach, right? Yeah, that's why even though you see illiterate people, they can speak fluent English apart from well-educated people. I always tell everyone this kind of means structure, because we have to motivate ourselves also, right? Because people they think they practice means 6 months and they practice 1 year, they never speak fluently. They demotivate themselves, right? Because they start practicing but they never practice proper way, because language has LSRW, reading, writing, listening and speaking, right? But they take only two skill, listening and speaking, but they never focus reading and writing, right? Because LSRW skills are interconnected each other, right? But if you take two skill, then it will take definitely time, right? But if you do regularly four skill, then definitely within short period you can convey your message with whom you want to interact, right? At least we can transfer our thought in front of that person. That is enough for us, because language is a ocean, right? No one can know about deep knowledge about language, right? That's why it will take time, but we have to work out daily, right? Not today you speak with someone half an hour or 2 hours, but tomorrow if you don't get time, then you never practice with anyone. Then we may lose our fluency and confidence simultaneously, right? Then we have to fix timing, because we are Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone. That's why this kind of platform helps us to enhance our language, right? And at least we get chance to talk with that person 5 to 10 minutes, right? It is enough. That's why we are practicing, because if you meet any physical person, you cannot tell them I want to practice with you in English, and if I make mistake you correct my mistake. Maybe your friends or your family members don't have time to listen your words and they correct your mistake and they practice with you, right? Then it is a good for us. If you get free time, you come online, you get anyone through online and you talk with them, right? We meet a new co-learner and we know about their formula technique, how they enhance their English speaking, and what type of technique and formula they implement their learning journey, right? And we have to know also, and if you meet any new person, we eager to know about that person personal life, professional life, their culture, their food, their state, and their clothes, everything, right? Then it is a better. We have to practice also new person. I believe this kind of. If you practice only, yeah, if you practice only same person, maybe you feel bored, right? But it is a language. We have to expand different way, right? How many times? Because you take topic also, no one ready to take topic to discuss, right? If you meet new people, then you want to know that person, right? Then we ask so many questions and we want to interact with that person also. That is also better, right? But speaking comes by speaking. We have to practice regularly daily, then we can enhance our fluency also, and we build our confidence also, right? Confidence also required, I thought. Otherwise, even though you who has double degree on their hands, but they have good knowledge about grammar, miss vocabulary and everything. They have a good writing skill. They are good at reading skill. They are good at listening speak skill, but they cannot speak in front of